Welcome to our YouTube channel and please do subscribe it for more videos and updates. Don't forget to press notification button. Okay, let's begin with the information. A couple of days back Xiaomi teased the launch of a new smartwatch under its crowdfunding platform. The product is a Yunmai smart training watch and it is available on the Xiaomi Youpin crowdfunding platform for 699 Yuan. Approximately $103 or rupees 7,410. It is a third-party product manufactured by Xiaomi's ecological chain company Yunmai. The Yunmai brand is renowned for its fitness-centric products like the Smart Body Scale and Exercise Powerball. The smart training watch is yet another sports and fitness product that serves as a companion for athletes and others who are very conscious of their fitness routine. The smartwatch is equipped with features such as an AMOLED display with impressive brightness level but that could have some disadvantage when it is needed to be used under direct sunlight. The display is 1.3 inches with a 90% NTSC display color gamut. The screen has features such as energy saving and low power consumption mode. The screen can be set to turn on when the wearer raises the wrist to view the watch face. The main feature on the Yunmai smart training watch is perhaps the GPS plus GLONASS navigation feature. Thanks to the onboard GPS, you can go for a walk, run, cycling and other activities without your smartphone, and the Yunmai sports watch will track your activities. It is equipped with a built-in 420 mAh battery which can last up to 4 days in daily application mode. Even the Amazfit Verge with a similar AMOLED screen cannot get up to that duration of usage. It is also equipped with a built-in U-Blox high-end chip as well as a powerful 9-axis sensor that monitors professional sports status such as mileage, speed, number of steps, effective activity, and calorie consumption. There are also other features that help users achieve their fitness goals. The Yunmai smartwatch is available in ash and rose gold colors and is presently on crowdfunding on Xiaomi Youpin until March 4. It is expected to start shipping on March 26. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and comment on our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.